This brand new floor plan by Fischer Homes just released here in Harvest Meadows on the east side of Cincinnati, Ohio. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. The only place in the nation you can find this floor plan right now is in St. Louis, but Fischer Homes just launched it here in Cincinnati. I'm gonna walk you through it and show you all about it.
The Fairfax by Fischer Homes is a spacious home design featuring 2,330 square feet. This home opens to a flexible living or office space leading to a large family room, overlooking a bright morning room and a well-equipped kitchen with an oversized island and walk-in pantry. The second story includes a loft as well as 4 bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet, including the private owner's suite, complete with a large ensuite bathroom. Enjoy the thoughtful additions this home offers, including an optional fireplace, a family foyer off the garage, perfect for storage, and a convenient second floor laundry room.
All right, Riley, thanks for joining us again.
Of course.
So we are here in the new Fairfax model, which is new to the region, correct?
Yes, we adapted this floor plan from our St. Louis division.
Okay, tell us a little bit about it, what it offers.
So this floor plan offers 2,300 square feet on the first and second floor. You're gonna see a flex space in the front that can be an office, formal living space, kind of do with that what you want. And then a very open concept, as you can see behind me.
Yes.
Family room into the morning room into the kitchen. So that's really one of the biggest selling points of this house is you are seeing the entire main living area in one shot.
Nice and open. When I talk to buyers all the time and they're shopping, they're considering a resale home or new construction. Oftentimes it is the open floor plan that they're like,
yes,
look, you can buy a home from the 90s or 80s or 70s or 2000s and it might be all sectioned off and you got to spend the money to open it all up. Or you can buy something like this plan where it's already wide open and has, it's designed for a more modern taste.
Yes, for sure. And then upstairs, you're gonna see 4 bedrooms plus a loft. The owner suite in this one is massive. So it is 13 by 18, pretty nice size. Walk-in closet, double vanity in the bathroom. So,
So
fighting over that sink.
Is this floor plan available just in this neighborhood or is it available in different communities?
Great question. So it is featured in this community as well as other locations that offer our traditional Maple Street collection.
Okay.
So you can find it in other locations as long as it's approved by that municipality.
Okay. And when we're talking Maple Street collection, what are maybe some of the other most popular floor plans, particularly on the 2-story, since this is a 2-story home, that people are looking at, and maybe how does this Fairfax compare to those?
So the Fairfax is much more modern than some of them that probably compare in terms of square footage. So those that are looking at the Greenbrier or the Cumberland or the Yosemite, this is gonna fall closely in square footage to those, but this is gonna offer you, again, that very modern open concept layout. Some of those other floor plans that I mentioned are if you need more of the sectioned off spaces, a formal living, formal dining space, those are gonna be for you. This one features a much larger island than some of the other ones I mentioned as well. And then the most popular floor plans in the Maple Street collection, I would not be surprised if the Fairfax makes its way up there. As it's so new, only time will tell.
Right.
And then the Jensen and the Breckenridge are up there for pretty popular in terms of the Maple Street floor plans. Those are on the larger side, gonna feature another flex space on the first floor, not just the one as the Fairfax shows you. And then in both the Jensen and the Breckenridge, you're gonna get that additional option for a 5th bedroom upstairs.
All right, Riley, thank you so much for your time today. If someone's interested in this floor plan or any others, what should they do next?
So if you are interested in this floor plan, any others, whether it's Harvest Meadows or other Fischer Homes communities in Cincinnati, reach out to Eric. He will help you determine what areas we should talk about, and then he'll connect you with me and we will go from there.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time, Riley.
No problem.
All right, guys, there is a look at the Fairfax floor plan, which is hard to say. Fairfax floor plan, Fairfax floor plan. Like Riley said, oh, big truck going by. If you're interested in this home or any homes with Fischer Homes, reach out to us first, info@teamsztanyo.com. We would love to be your real estate team of choice and leverage the relationships we have with the builders to help you get the best deal, as well as be your agent throughout your building process so that we can be that third-party representation. If you register with us before going to the builder is generally 9 times out of 10 gonna pay the commission for us as your agent, so there's no extra cost to you. Guys, if this video was helpful to you, like and subscribe. Thank Thank you so much for watching Who Day, Let's Go Reds, and we'll see you in the next one.